Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Obviously, Bengaluru traffic does not let you move around too much, and especially if you want to see multiple properties in a day. So this is what we at Property Cloud do for you. We do virtual site visits for you because this is a prop tech company. Now, what is a prop tech company? As I told you, that we do virtual site visits for you and bring those videos to you at your convenience on your mobile phone or your laptop screen. And in these videos, we tell you everything about the projects, the land parcel, the amenities, the carpet areas, the pricing, and everything else that you need to know. Well, one more thing that I need to tell you about Property Cloud is that we connect you directly with the developer. Now, isn't that amazing? Why is it amazing? Because when we are connecting you directly with the developer, that means that we are not going to charge absolutely any brokerage from you, and also we will provide you the best of the prices that are available in the market. Along with that, we also help you with spot payment options, with booking offers and many more discounts in case you are booking a property with us on Property Cloud. And here I am today in Whitefield, Budagiri, and this project is called Godrej Woodscapes. I'm sure you can already see why it is called Woodscapes, but before I tell you a lot about this project, I've just come from the road, so I need to tell you the exact location of this place. As I told you, it's located in Budagiri, Whitefield, but the best part is the connectivity from here. On the east, there is connectivity to Hoskote, and towards North Bangalore from here, you can actually reach the airport within 40 to 45 minutes, despite being 30 kilometers, because that is a complete no traffic zone. Now, this is one thing that I absolutely love about Bengaluru, that there are such roads over here wherein you can skip the traffic, and one of those roads is where this project is located, so that you can live over here within the woods and still within the city. Well, talking about within the city, let me take you within the project so that I can tell you more about it. Let's go. Now, Godrej Woodscapes has come up with this larger than life property. It is going to be a total 28 acres of land parcel, which will have more than 85% of open space. That is more than 85% of oxygen that is already available, because there are going to be multiple trees over here. Now, other than the trees, they are also going to have 15 residential towers, and there are going to be commercial spaces in this as well. But out of the 15 towers, currently they have put up 10 which are going to be available for you to buy a house in this area. Now, when I am trying to specify over and over again in this area, is because it's not a project, it is a forest, and it is actually difficult for me to show you the project over here virtually, but I'm going to try my level best. Do not forget to mention in the comments how well did you like the forest, because I am taking all the efforts to show it to you. Let's go and see how beautiful it has been made. This is your leisure clubhouse, where there are going to be luxury activities like a billiards table, a restaurant, a cafe, and also another gymnasium over here, along with another swimming pool which is in the open. Now, these are just a few amenities that I could show you over here, but to see the all amenities and to see the whole project and the forests over here, you need to very quickly come to this site. I'm going to tell you more about it. Stay tuned with me. So they have three different variants in the 3 BHKs. As you can already see behind me, the model flats are ready, and the 3 BHK has three different variants: 1700 square feet, 1900 square feet, and 2025 square feet. Now I'm going to show you the 3.5 BHK, which is of 2400 square feet, and it is one of the most beautiful model flats, and that's the reason I'm going to show it to you. But to check out the other model flats, you really need to very quickly plan a visit right over here at Godrej Woodscapes. I cannot really get enough of all the greenery that's around me over here, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. But you're gonna love the model flat even more, because I absolutely fell in love with it, and I need to show it to you as well, right? Let's go. And here I am at the entrance of the house. Now, this is going to be your exclusive lobby area, as I'll call it. And this is the entrance to your maid's room, but I want to show you later because I really want to show you the model flat right now. Before I show you the model flat from inside, let me tell you, in the exteriors, you will get a video door phone right over here, and also a digital door lock which can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key, and also a physical key. Now let me take you inside the house over here. This wall or this foyer area actually makes it a point that no one has direct access to your complete home. Now let me tell you that this foyer area is of approximately 16.1 by 4.8 square feet, and it takes us directly into the house. But again, your privacy has been taken care of by keeping the guest bedroom right at the entrance over here. Let's take a look at it. Now before I walk inside, let me also tell you that every door has a rubber strip that they have provided over here on the columns so that your doors stay safe. Now here is your bedroom number 1, which is a 12 by 12 square feet, and it comes with this beautiful window, or let's call it a balcony, because it also comes with this grill over here, another toughened glass outside, so that you can enjoy the forest views without any hindrance in your own balcony, and then also shut the sliding doors in case it gets too windy. And also it comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. Now this room also has an attached toilet to it, which is of 8.6 by 4.6 square feet. It comes with all the CP sanitary fittings as well. Here we are in the grand living and dining area. Now the total area of the living and dining is of approximately 22 by 16.3 square feet. And one thing that I liked about it, now that you already walked through the living room and now you are in the dining room, but even from the living and the dining, the TV is accessible for the whole family. The TV is also accessible from one more point, and that is the kitchen that you can already see. It's an open kitchen which is of approximately 14 by 8.8 square feet. It comes with this service table right over here despite being an open kitchen, and also a workstation which is a straight fitted granite slab and ends at a quad sink. I'm sure you already know what a quad sink is, and it is much better than a stainless sink because it has a better life and it is more sturdy and strong as well. Along with that, they've also provided a dry balcony. Despite providing a big window for ventilation, there is still a dry utility area. Let's take a quick look at this one, which is of 4.11 by 8 square feet. This comes with a work table over here. It comes with a very big window right over here, and also the flooring has been given anti-skid to separate dry and wet areas. Now this corridor area, which comes with a common room and a common bedroom, is of approximately 5.8 by 3.7 square feet, and over here is your common washroom over here, and this one also comes with the standard CP sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles on the flooring as well. Now this is your second bedroom over here, which is of approximately 11.2 by 12 square feet, and even this one comes with the similar kind of a balcony that I just showed you in the guest bedroom as well. Long lengthy windows which will allow in the perfect lighting and also the ample ventilation that is needed. Now let's proceed towards the master bedroom once you've seen this room, and back into the corridor. Here we are taking you into the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Now the size of this master bedroom is of approximately 12 by 14.6 square feet, and it comes with my favorite part, and that is a walk-in wardrobe. Let's take a look at this one. This over here is your walk-in wardrobe, and also it comes with an attached toilet and wash, which is right over here. Let's take a look at it. This is of approximately 5.6 by 8.2 square feet, comes with CP sanitary fittings and also anti-skid tiles. Now because it is a master bedroom, it should have a master balcony as well, right? There it is of 12 by 4.8 square feet, and do not miss to take a look at the tiles as well. These are wooden finished anti-skid tiles, and the balcony comes covered from 3 sides. 17.5 by 5 square feet is the size of the balcony in the living room as well. Let's take a look at it. This one comes with toughened glass railings and the wooden flooring, which is again anti-skid and ceramic tiles. And in case you're wondering where I'm going, I'm not going anywhere yet. I still have to show you the maid's room. Remember, I promised you We're back at the entrance of the house, and right over here is your maid's room. Now this one is of 7.6 by 7 square feet and also comes with an attached toilet and wash and a big window for ventilation as well. Let's now take a look at the attached toilet and wash of the maid's room. Well, right now I'm going to take a walk in the jungle, but in case you want to know how can you come over here, do a site visit and also book a house over here, well, wait for me. I'm going to take a quick walk in the jungle, come back and talk to you, tell you about the booking process. See you then. And now that I've shown you the complete project, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process go. As I told you, you have to really come and visit the property, but how are you going to do that? Over here at Property Cloud, we provide you free pickup and drop service. So once you contact us, how will you contact us? Of course, that's very simple. See, in the captions, we've mentioned a link below. All you need to do is click on the link once. Once you've done that, then our sales manager will get in touch with you and will help you shortlist the properties that you like, maybe as per your preferences, your area preferences or your choices. And then once you've shortlisted and made a list of the properties, then we will get a cab to your doorstep and offer you free pickup and drop service from your place till the project and back to your house, so that you can see all your shortlisted properties in one day itself. This is a very good way to escape Bengaluru traffic and see 4 or 5 projects in 4 or 5 days. This is what we do for you at Property Cloud, because we care for you and we want you to buy your house hassle-free, brokerage-free, and also with multiple discounts. So very quickly register yourself, click on the link that's mentioned below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that I can tell you about more and more such properties, not just in Bengaluru but all over India and also across the globe. Yes, we also have properties across the globe in UAE, Canada, US, Singapore and multiple countries. Stay tuned with me, Ekta Kapoor, so that I can take you across the globe, across all the properties virtually. Thank you.